In this video, you'll learn how to successfully list items on eBay sourced from AliExpress. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to ensure your listings are attractive and competitive, while also covering important factors to consider during the process. Begin by researching trending products on AliExpress. Focus on items that have good ratings and positive reviews. It is crucial to check the supplier's feedback and shipping times to ensure reliability. Calculate the total cost of each product, including shipping fees, to determine your profit margins. Additionally, analyze competitor prices on eBay to ensure your offerings are competitively priced. Before proceeding, verify that the supplier allows dropshipping and select products that show steady demand to increase your chances of making sales. Next, navigate to eBay and create a new listing. Carefully copy the product details from AliExpress, ensuring you rewrite both the title and description. This step is important to avoid duplication, which can negatively impact your search rankings. Upload high-quality images that showcase the product effectively. Set a competitive price that includes your desired profit margin. Clearly state the shipping time frame in your listing to manage customer expectations. Before finalizing the listing, take a moment to review all details for accuracy to avoid potential issues after publication. Once your listing is live, you will need to manage orders as they come in. When a customer places an order, promptly purchase the item from AliExpress. Enter the customer's shipping details accurately to ensure the item is delivered to the correct address. Monitor the supplier's processing time closely, as delays can affect customer satisfaction. After being shipped, upload the tracking information to eBay to keep the buyer informed about their order status. Throughout the entire process, maintain strong communication with your buyers. Following up on their orders until delivery confirmation is crucial for building trust and ensuring a positive shopping experience. This can lead to repeat customers and positive feedback on your eBay profile, which is essential for long-term success. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.